Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. Om Shakti. Sri Lita Sahasranamavali 901 to 950 with meaning. Om Nada Rupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the primal mystic sound. Om Vijnana Kalanayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is realization of the absolute. Om Kalyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is one to be reckoned with. Om Vidagdayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the wisdom displayed in all skills. Om Baindava Sanaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is seated in the Bindu, the central dot of in the Sri Chakra. Om Tattva Dikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who transcends all cosmic categories. Om Tattva Mayai Namaha. Salutations to her who comprehends all cosmic categories. Om Tattvamartha Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is one with a non-dual being, denoted by the words Tat and Tvam in the great Vedic sentence Tat Tam Asi. Tat Tvam Asi. Om Samagana Priyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves the chanting of Samaveda. Om Somayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the object of worship in Soma sacrifice. Om Sadasiva Kudumbinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the consort of Sadashiva. Om Savya Pasavya Margastayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is reached by both the paths Savya, Samaya and Apasvya, Kaula. Om Sarvapad Vinir Varinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who wards off all dangers. Om Swastayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is established in herself. Om Swabhava Madhurayai Namaha. Om Swabhava Madhurayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is sweet by nature. Om Dhirayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is endowed with wisdom. Om Dhira Samarchitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is worshipped by the wise with care and completeness. Om Chaitanyargya Samaradhyayai Namaha. Om Chaitanyargya Samaradhyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is best worshipped with the offerings of the spirit as Argya. Om Chaitanyargya Samaradhyayai Namaha. Om Chaitanya Kusuma Priyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves the flower offerings of the spirit. Om Sadoditayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is ever shining. Om Sadatustayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is ever pleased. Om Tarunaditya Patalayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is rosy like the morning sun. Om Dakshina Radhyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is worshipped according to both the Dakshina Chara and its opposite by the learned and the unlearned. The Om Darasmera Mukham Bujayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose smiling face gladdens all. Om Kaulini Kevalayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the ultimate object of the Kaula worship. Om Anargya Kaivalya Pada Dayinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who confers the priceless state of ultimate bliss and freedom. Om Stotra Priyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves hymns of praise. Om Suti Matyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is worthy of hymns of praise. Om Shruti Samstuta Vaibhavayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose glory is praised by the Vedas. Om Manas Vinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is self-possessed. Om Manavatyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is high-minded. Om Maheshiyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is a great queen. Om Mangala Kritaye Namaha. Salutations to her with a benign form. Om Vishwamatre Namaha. Salutations to her who is the mother of the universe. Om Jagat Datriyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is a protectress of the universe. Om Visalakshi Namaha. Salutations to her who has large eyes or who is worshipped as Visalakshi at Kasi. Om Viraginyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is utterly passionless. Om Pragalbhayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is surprisingly daring. Om Paramodharayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is supremely generous. Om Paramodayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is supremely joyful. Om Manomayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is all spirit. Om Vyomakeshyai Namaha. Salutations to her who has the skies above as her locks of hair on the head. Om Vima Nastayai Namaha. Om Vima Nastayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is seated high in her celestial car. Om Vajranyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Indrani. Om Vamakeshwaryai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the deity of the leftward path of the Kaulas. Om Panchayagna Priyai Namaha. Salutations to her who loves the 5 sacrifices of the rightward Savya path. Om Pancha Preta Manchadi Sayanyai Namaha. Salutations to her who seated on a seat supported by the 5 dead Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Ishvara and Sadashiva. Om Panchamyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the consort of the 5th of these, that is Sadasiva. Om Pancha Bhudesyai Namaha. Salutations to her who rules over the 5 primordial elements. Om Pancha Shankyo Pacharanyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is worshipped with the 5-fold offering. Om Shakti.